everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is about the special product by square of trinomials. This is called square of trinomials because inside of this parenthesis we have three terms. So since this belongs to special product, we have to follow the pattern. The pattern is that we're going to square the first term plus the square of the second term and plus the square of the third term. Then the second, since positive here, we have this also positive, and the exponent times the first and the second. That's why 2 times C times D equals 2 C D. And the next, the exponent, the first term and the last term. So 2 times C times E was positive 2 C E. And the last is 2 times the second and the last. 2 times D times E was positive 2 D E. Okay, that's the answer. And the next, the same pattern, we have to square the first term. 2 times 2 equals 4. Then C 1 times 2 equals 2. We have to multiply the exponent. And here 2 times 2, we have 4D. Exponent is 1 times 2 equals 2. Then plus 3 times 3 equals 9. E 1 times 2 equals 2. And the next pattern is that we're going to multiply the exponent, the first and the second. Okay, numerical first. 2 times 2 times 2 equals positive 8. And C and D copy. Next is the exponent, the first and the last. We're going to multiply. Since positive all, the answer is positive. 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. And the variable C and D copy. And the last is the second and the last term equals positive 2 times 3 times 2, or 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. And D and A copy only. Okay, that's our answer. And next, the same pattern. You have to double the first term. 3 times 3 equals 9. Variable C, exponent, multiply 2 times 2 equals 4. Then next, the second term, positive times positive equals positive. 2 times 2 equals 4. Then D, exponent 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay, negative times negative equals positive. 2 times 2 equals 4. E, 2 times 2 equals 4. And the next pattern is we have to multiply the exponent, the first term, and the second term. That's why we have 2 times 3, 6, times 2 is 12. We have positive 12. The variable C and D copy only. The next is the first and the last term. Positive times negative, so the answer is negative. Then multiply 2 times 3 times 2. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6, times 2 is 12. And the variable C and E copy only, C and E copy only. C squared, E squared. And the last now is the second term times the last term. Positive times negative, we have negative. Then 2 times 2 times 2, we have 8. Then the variable, copy only, together with the exponent. So our answer is always 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Observe that in square of trinomials, our answer is 6 terms. Hope you. Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we have to study a fraction word problem. Okay, the first problem, the Alps delivery van services has to delivery 9 1/3 metric tons of corn to Quezon City. If each delivery van can be loaded with 1 1/3 metric tons of corn, how many van will be needed to deliver the corn? To solve the problem, we have to use the 4 steps. Step 1, understand the problem. How to understand the problem? First, we have to ask what is asked in the problem. So the problem asks the number of delivery van needed to deliver the corn. And another question that we're going to create from the understand the problem, what are given? So the given facts, 9 1/3 metric tons of corn per delivery and 1 1/3 metric tons of corn per delivery van. Step 2, plan what to do. So what operation will be used? So division. What is the equation? So the equation is n instance for the delivery van, number of delivery van, equals 9 1/3 divided by 1 1/3. Then step 3, solve the problem. We will use the equation n equals 9 1/3 divided by 1 1/3. And then we're going to change to improper fraction because the given is the mixed number. So it becomes now 3 times 9 equals 27 plus 1 equals 28 over 3 divided by 3 times 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. So the mixed number now changed to 4 and 1 3. And then after that, we have to use the reciprocal method. So 28 over 3 times 3 over 4. Then we're going to simplify. Since we can cancel 3 and 3, so we're going to divide it immediately by means this method is called cancellation. So the remaining is, and then also 28 and 4 we can cancel by dividing by 4. So it becomes now 7 times 1 equals 7. Then 1 times 1 equals 1. So therefore 7 over 1 is equals to 7. So our complete answer is 7 delivery van are needed to deliver the 9 1/3 metric tons of corn. Step 4, we have to check your answer. So to check our answer, we have to multiply the result 7 delivery van times the 1 1/3 per the loaded per van. So then we have to change the mixed number into improper fraction. It becomes now 4 over 3. Then 7 times 4 equals 28. Then copy the division, the number at the numerator, which is 3. Then 28 divided by 3 becomes now 9 1/3, which is corresponds to metric tons of corn to be delivered.